Author of The Big Lie, Dinesh D'Souza. Dinesh, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, this is not unique to College Park because there are a number of localities in Maryland that have already voted to do this. What do you think?
Well, to me, it makes no sense because of what citizenship actually means. Citizenship is a kind of bargain among citizens of a country. It comes out of a social compact with certain rights and responsibilities. For example, why would I fight for my country and die for you if you wouldn't be willing to do the same for me? And the whole idea of letting non-citizens vote and shape the governmental process, that falls outside the social compact.
Sure, but Dinesh, the argument they make is, look, these people are in the country illegally, but they're paying taxes, they're impacted by the schools and emergency services. They should have a say in it.
Well, I don't think they should, because being non-citizens, they need to go through the citizenship path, become citizens, then they get the protections of being a citizen, and they also get the benefits of being a citizen. Essentially what they're claiming is, and you can see why the Democrats want this, the Democrats' interest in these people is their votes. And so the Democrats are more keen to get their votes than they are to send them to school or do any other things for them. That's the main political problem. There's a divergence between the interests of a political party and the fundamental meaning of citizenship.
Absolutely. Ultimately, though, if that's what the people want and the town council to vote on it, I guess that's what they get. I got to ask you about the news of the day, and that is there was this big dinner last night at the White House. It sounds like they have agreed to go forward to work on a deal toward DACA, and the president says it has to include increased security for our nation's border, but there may not be a wall involved in the funding in this particular thing. What do you think about that?
I think that at the end of the day, Trump may be moving to a position in which he says that the wall is symbolic. In other words, that these are the 5 ways we're going to be enforcing immigration. These are the ways we're going to be securing our border.
So I don't need the wall to keep us safe.
Exactly. I have an electronic wall. I have 10 different ways to check identities. I have all kinds of enforcement within the country. It may be that there's a way to work this out that doesn't require a wall.
Are you okay with that?
I'm okay with that.
Because there are a lot of people who voted for him thinking, okay, we're going to finally have the wall.
Well, I think what people voted for is this. They voted for a principle, and the principle is we can't fix domestic immigration policy without stopping this border in which, in a sense, people keep streaming across. Trump has got to demonstrate that he's willing to be firm on that.
All right. His new book is called The Big Lie. Dinesh D'Souza, always a pleasure. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.